am I crazy? Just like the 1950s. Hair color of cotton candy, just like Nikki. This video is dumb and political. It disses kids who like iPads, smartphones. Am I tone deaf? This song is such a total mess. Sounds like can't stop the feeling. It's so boring. Since my album Prism, I was in a bubble. The song is worse than Taylor Swift's Trouble. I think people in the suburbs are snotty turds. We're in an amusement park. This video's cute, but the lyrics are dark. My song gives commentary about war and the use of gasoline and immigration too. Hamsters aren't just cute, they are dumb because they run on a wheel for no damn reason. I supported the nasty woman, promoted Hillary, but Donald Trump won. It's the grandson of Bob Marley. I collab with rappers cause I'm edgy. We have bad blood. Taylor, get out my cup. You're now chained to this disco ball. Your career will fall. Bye folks, that's all.
Yo guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Can we get this video to 30,000 likes? Also, leave a comment of what parody you want next. Shout out to Annie Patterson for singing as Katy Perry. You can check out our other parodies and celebrity series by clicking the stuff to the right and in the description. Alright, bye folks, that's all.